Hi friends, welcome to my channel FunTube. Today I would like to explain the excretory system in human beings. Now let's know about the excretory system. Excretion. The process of removal of waste substances from the human body is called excretion. Any waste is toxic chemical and thus it needs to be removed from our body, or it may be very harmful for our body. The excretory system consists of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Let's know more about these organs. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs which are located towards the backside of the body and they are above the waist. The function of kidney is to purify blood. The renal artery brings in blood into the kidneys. The renal veins take blood back to all parts of the body from the kidney. The ureters are tube-like structures which transport waste materials from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, as we know, is a sac-like structure which stores urine, and urethra is the tube through which urine is passed out of the body from urinary bladder. Now let's know about the excretion process. The excretion starts in the kidneys in a nephron. There are several nephrons in a kidney. Nephron is the basic functional unit of a kidney. The function of the nephron is to regulate the concentration of water and soluble materials by filtering the waste product, reabsorbing what is needed, and excreting the waste. This is the picture of a kidney. As you can see, the red one is the renal artery, the blue one is the renal vein. These are medulla. This is pelvis, renal pelvis, ureter, cortex. Parts of a nephron. A nephron is made up of a Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule or PCT, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule or DCT, and a collecting duct. This is the picture of a nephron. This is the Bowman's capsule. This is the distal proximal convoluted tubule. This is the loop of Henle. This is the DCT or distal convoluted tubule. This is the collecting duct. Now let's know about the Bowman's capsule. A Bowman's capsule is a cup-like structure, as you can see. Inside there is a bunch of capillaries which is called glomerulus. The inside layer, the Bowman's capsule layer is made up of squamous epithelial cells. There is a blood vessel entering the Bowman's capsule called the afferent arteriole, and the one exiting the blood vessel exiting the Bowman's capsule is called efferent arteriole. Waste products, salt and water are diffused from the glomerulus into the Bowman space. Bowman space is the space in the Bowman's capsule. This one. Our Bowman's capsule leads into the PCT or proximal convoluted tubule. PCT is where the waste materials including water, salt and minerals are passed from the Bowman's capsule. Inner side of the proximal convoluted tubule is covered with microvilli. PCT leads into the loop of Henle. This is the loop of Henle. It is U-shaped. It has a ascending limb and it has a descending limb and a ascending limb. It is in the loop of Henle. Important salts and waters and some water molecules are absorbed into the blood vessel. The remaining urea and some water molecules are proceed into the distal convoluted tubule or DCT. Distal convoluted tubule, DCT. In a DCT, the remaining water molecules are absorbed into the interstitial fluid. DCT is seen in the cortex region and it leads to the collecting duct. The remaining fluid, which is nothing but urea, proceeds into the collecting duct. Now, urea from all collecting ducts collect into the renal pelvis. From there it enters ureters. From ureters it enters bladder. Here urine stops for some time until it is excreted from the body through urethra. And after some time it is excreted through urethra. This is how excretory system works. This picture tells what we have seen in the whole video. This is a kidney. The whole thing is a kidney. The blue one is the renal vein, which takes blood from from kidney to all parts of the body. Red one is the renal artery, which brings in blood. Renal pelvis, ureter, medulla. These are medulla. Cortex region. If we zoom in into medulla and cortex region, we can see several nephrons. A nephron is made up of Bowman's capsule, PCT, loop of Henle, DCT, and collecting duct. A Bowman's capsule consists of glomerulus and water, waste products, and salts diffuse into Bowman space. It proceeds into PCT. PCT consists of microvilli. It is also called as PCT is also called as proximal convoluted tubule. PCT leads into loop of Henle. It is where loop of Henle is where all the important salts and water and some water molecules are absorbed into the blood vessel. The remaining urea and some water molecules proceed into DCT, where the remaining water molecules are also absorbed into the interstitial fluid, and the remaining urea proceeds into the collecting duct. Now, urea from all the collecting ducts collect into the renal pelvis, from where it gets into the ureter. From ureter it proceeds into urinary bladder and is excreted from urethra. I hope this video was so useful for you guys. If so, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.